Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Canada, renowned for its inclusive and diverse society, has long been a beacon for immigrants seeking better opportunities, safety, and stability. Its immigration system has undergone several reforms over the decades, aimed at adapting to the country's evolving needs, global economic shifts, and demographic trends. The decision to change Canada's immigration system, particularly in recent years, has been influenced by a variety of factors, including economic requirements, labor market shortages, demographic shifts, social integration concerns, and political motivations. This essay will explore why Canada is changing its immigration system, with an in-depth analysis of the various elements driving these changes. 1. Economic needs and workforce demands. One of the most compelling reasons for the evolution of Canada's immigration system is the country's ever-changing economic landscape. Canada is an advanced, high-income country with a highly developed and diversified economy. However, like many other developed nations, Canada faces significant labor shortages, particularly in industries such as technology, healthcare, and skilled trades. These shortages are exacerbated by an aging population and declining birth rates, which means fewer young people are entering the workforce. To address this challenge, Canada's immigration system has shifted toward prioritizing the economic needs of the country. The introduction of the Express Entry system in 2015, which focuses on selecting immigrants based on their skills and work experience, exemplifies this approach. The Canadian government has been increasingly focused on attracting skilled workers and entrepreneurs who can contribute directly to the economy. In particular, Canada's Global Talent Stream (GTS) is another significant initiative aimed at attracting top-tier international talent. The GTS enables employers to fast-track the process of hiring highly skilled workers from outside the country, especially in sectors like technology, engineering, and IT, which are critical for Canada's innovation economy. In recent years, Canada has been increasingly emphasizing the importance of international students as a key component of its immigration policy. With Canada's world-class education system, international students represent a prime source of talent. Moreover, the pathway from student visas to permanent residency allows Canada to retain educated individuals who have already adapted to Canadian society and contributed to its economy during their studies. 2. Aging population and demographic shifts. Canada, like many Western countries, is experiencing a demographic shift due to an aging population. The median age of the Canadian population is steadily rising, with a significant portion of the population approaching retirement age. According to Statistics Canada, by 2030, nearly one-quarter of Canada's population will be over the age of 65. This demographic change poses challenges for maintaining the current workforce, social services, and healthcare infrastructure. To mitigate these challenges, immigration is being viewed as a critical component of Canada's strategy to sustain economic growth. Immigrants, especially younger ones, help offset the effects of an aging population by contributing to the labor force, paying taxes, and consuming goods and services. This, in turn, helps fund healthcare and pension systems that will be increasingly relied upon as the senior population grows. Furthermore, Canada's immigration policies are now tailored to encourage the settlement of immigrants in various provinces and territories, addressing regional demographic disparities. Programs like the Provincial Nominee Program (PNP) enable provincial governments to select immigrants based on the local economy's specific needs, ensuring that new arrivals help fill labor gaps in different parts of the country. 3. Social integration and multiculturalism. Canada prides itself on being one of the most multicultural countries in the world. The policy of multiculturalism, officially adopted in 1971, has helped to foster a society that is welcoming to immigrants from a wide range of cultural backgrounds. However, as immigration numbers increase, there are growing concerns about social integration and the potential for social fragmentation. To address these concerns, Canada's immigration system is being reformed to better integrate immigrants into Canadian society. This includes a focus on language proficiency, with many programs requiring newcomers to have a certain level of proficiency in English or French. Additionally, newcomers are encouraged to participate in Canadian society through settlement programs, community support services, and educational opportunities that promote cultural exchange and understanding. Canada is also working to ensure that immigrants can integrate into the labor market, making use of their qualifications and experience. Efforts to streamline the recognition of foreign credentials have been central to these reforms. By making it easier for immigrants to find employment in their field of expertise, Canada not only helps newcomers thrive but also strengthens the country's economic base. Another key change is the increased focus on family reunification. Acknowledging that strong familial ties are essential for the emotional and social well-being of immigrants, Canada is placing greater emphasis on family-sponsored immigration programs. These programs allow immigrants to bring their spouses, children, and other family members to Canada, which enhances their social integration and overall quality of life. 4. Political and global geopolitical factors. Immigration is a politically sensitive issue in many countries, and Canada is no exception. In recent years, Canada's immigration policies have been shaped by both domestic political considerations and global geopolitical shifts. Canada's government has traditionally taken a progressive stance on immigration, promoting policies that are inclusive and humanitarian. However, there has been a global shift toward more restrictive immigration policies in certain countries, especially in Europe and the United States. In contrast, Canada's relatively open stance has allowed it to attract immigrants from around the world, particularly from regions facing political instability, conflict, and environmental challenges. The 2015 Syrian refugee crisis, for example, led to Canada significantly increasing its refugee resettlement efforts, accepting tens of thousands of refugees. The success of this initiative reinforced the country's global reputation as a leader in humanitarian immigration policies. Additionally, Canada's political leaders have increasingly emphasized the importance of diversity as a core Canadian value, framing immigration as a key driver of economic and social prosperity. However, the increasing number of immigrants and refugees has also led to some political debate over the pace and scale of immigration. Some argue that the system needs to be more stringent to ensure that immigrants can successfully integrate into Canadian society. As a result, Canada has been experimenting with reforms that allow the government to better manage immigration flows, ensuring that they align with both economic needs and public opinion. 5. Addressing labor market gaps and regional development. A further reason for changing Canada's immigration system is to address labor market gaps and foster regional development. Some regions in Canada, particularly rural areas, face more significant challenges in terms of population decline and economic stagnation. By tailoring immigration policies to address these specific regional needs, Canada aims to encourage immigration to areas that might otherwise struggle to attract newcomers. Programs like the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot (RNIP) have been introduced to promote settlement in these underpopulated areas. By providing new immigrants with permanent residency options in these regions, the program helps to revitalize local economies, fill labor shortages, and ensure that Canada's growth is not concentrated solely in major urban centers like Toronto and Vancouver. In conclusion, Canada's decision to change its immigration system reflects a range of complex and interconnected factors. Economic demands, demographic shifts, the need for social integration, and political considerations are all contributing to the ongoing evolution of Canada's immigration policies. By adapting to these challenges and changing circumstances, Canada seeks to maintain its position as a welcoming, inclusive, and prosperous nation that harnesses the benefits of immigration while ensuring the well-being of its citizens and immigrants alike. As the global landscape continues to shift, Canada's immigration system will likely continue to evolve in ways that respond to both domestic and international pressures, ensuring that the country remains a destination of choice for those seeking a better future.